Again.
Hello, the future.
Okay, guys, we're gonna open Dairy Milk, Leak Cables, and Kinder Joy with my sissy sister again. Let's open them. Let's get started.
Open my plate.
Yay! That is a new
Open
one.
my plate. I can open.
I like it. Tell Ate Tata.
Okay.
Tell Ate Tata. Okay, so tell Ate Tata that. Ayun na, Ate Tata, open that.
Ate Tata, open this one.
Sige na, Ate Tata. Oh. Sige na ko, anak. Matumba niya. Ayaw i-open ang surprise o kuan, chocolate.
Ilan ko sa wipes, be?
This one.
Wipes.
Nag-video message.
Okay, thank you, Zay.
Speak English or Tagalog pag mo ani mo dito. Pag mo ani mo dali kay mag-speak mo English o Tagalog. Say. No! Ayaw siya This is your wait. Not yet. Do not open it. This is my toy. This is the cap, and this is the food. This is her toy, and this is her food. Comment down below, guys, who is very nice at the Kinder Surprise cake. I think I should open first my whistle. Let's open our toys first.
Open toy first. Wow! I got Cinderella.
I got
Cinderella again. I got Cinderella again. I got Cinderella again. I got Cinderella.
This is our
again.
instructions.
I can't delete Cinderella because I can't Cinderella.
Oh, that's my name.
I'll show you something. So,
Just like that.
like that one. And open.
Beauty and the Beast, tale as old as time, song as old as rhyme. Beauty and the Beast.
Again, beauty and a beast.
Just and blue, nothing on the shore, as the sun will rise. Oh, till it's all is time, song as all is right, Beauty and the Beast. Okay. Tell Ate Tata. Oh wait. There we go. This is hers. And now open your food. Now let's open our foods.
Now open your foodie.
Let's assemble this later. Because it's broken again. Let's assemble that later. It's okay, Sai, ha? Oh, naguba man. It's okay. Ito lang i-assemble later. I don't want to get stickers, so let's just
Open.
eat. You open your stuff.
No, open my snack.
It's very
Kahit
yummy.
ayaw. Kahit ayaw.
Wow, gosh.
Feel it.
What do you want? This one or this purple?
This one.
Ah, this is a dairy melter shot. Shot. That's yours. Shot.
Okay. Dairy milk.
Okay, let's show it to Amy first. Alinasay. Let's eat now.
No,
It's very yummy.
no, at yan food.
Uh-huh. It's more daghan.
More dog heart.
No, yours is small and mine is daghan. Ikaw? Ikaw? Kaon?
Bye, guys. And it's cooked. Bye, guys.
No, not yet.
Okay. Out.
Can I help? Huh?
Dili na. Oh!
What's for your teeth here?
That's right.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Mm.
Yummy for the life. The red race.
No more na say-say. Balik tayo. Yummy. This is the toy.
This is the toy first. This is
I don't like
the
the way.
circle. This is the bandana. This is the head turtle. This is the feet.
Oh no, say.
Oh, that's right.
Just lick it.
Look at
Ew. No fresh.
Yummy na. Yummy. Wala at yan yum.
No. Yours kay wala na.
Wala na.
And let's get water if ours is wala.
Lala na, lalay.
Okay. And get water. Get water.
Help me. At yan get water. Open lalay.
Just drill at it.
Open ni lalay.
Why?
Cinderella. Cinderella more. And Cinderella princess. Wow, that's nice. Wow, Cinderella head and Cinderella head.
Bye, guys. See you guys next time. Wait,
Bye.
not yet. I'm gonna eat this all inside.
What's yours? Oh, I take two.
Sorry, I forgot your dairy milk.
Dairy milk. I thought wala biya on dairy milk fly. Wala biya on dairy milk fly.
Stroller. Bye, guys. See you guys next time. Wait, not yet. Let's drink water.
Let's drink water. After
Tell Ate Tata to throw this side. Ate Tata, throw this.
delete Cinderella bye.
Ikaw, tell Ate Tata.
Fire me, fire.
Oh wait, throw it here.
Okay.
Say, so let's assemble.
And fire. Fire yan, fire. And fire.
Bye guys, see you guys next time.
Bye.
Wait, let's drink water.
Oh.
That's okay.
Maraming beses ko siya kinausap sa phone. Kaya imposibleng mangyari yun. Mas pipiliin ko kung trabaho sa akin.
Big mouth sa, big mouth sa. Jerica.
Come here to side. Bye guys, see you guys next time. Bye.